One of the management strategies that the National Parks and Wildlife Services has put in place is this boardwalk. You'll see it behind me. It's a well-constructed walk where you can see people can walk through the forest without actually destroying the forest. So it's a way of ensuring that people are able to experience the forest, they can see the sights, smell the sounds, all of that, experience the rainforest as it is, but they're doing it with minimal impact on the forest in the long term. So obviously that's a change in the environment. They've created this boardwalk, but they've done that with the intention of ensuring that future generations can enjoy the forest. They can ensure that tourists can come and enjoy it, but without having as big an impact as they might if they were simply walking along paths and walking off the path or making their own paths. Another thing you'll see is that one of the walks, the Falls Walk, is under construction. So one thing they have to keep doing is ensuring that they are keeping the parks, the boardwalks in good working order, and that costs money. So obviously the park has to ensure that that occurs so that they are keeping the environment as pristine as possible while ensuring people can still engage with and enjoy the forest as it is. So we can see we're right in the middle of the forest here, and this path is allowing me to walk with very little impact on the environment around me. So it's a strategy of some impact for long-term benefit.